Hello, Holly Vininga sessions. Today is our second session. We have a vocabulary session. It's about describing personality. We'll be learning how to describe a personality. What are the words that we use to describe someone, describe yourself, describe others, describe friends, and so on. So it's an interesting one. So let's get going. Okay, so what we're going to do is I'm going to show you 3 pictures and we will talk about each picture separately. So take a look at this picture, the first one, and just think for a moment, what do you see? What can you see? Okay, that's a young man. And what about this woman? She's kind of old, right? What do you think he's doing to her or with her or for her? Right, he's helping her with the shopping, the grocery, and so on. So he's helping her. Okay, if I would like to describe this young man, I'm going to say he's what? Do you know? Okay, he's helpful. So the best word to describe him is being helpful. So he is a helpful person, young man. Okay? All right. I'm going to show you a sentence and I want you to complete the sentence for me. A helpful person can be a person. Can be what? Take a minute to think. I want you to find me words to describe a helpful person. Now, what do you think he is? I mean, you look at him, his face, he's smiling, he's happy. So here you go. I give you the first word. A helpful person can be a happy person. What else? A helpful person can be a person. Okay, let's see. A helpful person can be a good person. Excellent. A helpful person can be a happy person. That's mine. Okay. A helpful person can be a kind. Of course, he's kind. He's helping her. A helpful person can be a generous person. Now, generous means someone who likes to give. Give people, help people, and so on. So I think the closest one to helpful is generous. Generous. So we have generous, kind, happy, good, helpful. Okay? All right, let's move on. Okay, the same thing for this picture. What do you think is happening here? Okay, these 2 young men are greeting each other. Greeting each other means they're saying hi. How do we know that they were greeting each other? They are greeting each other. How? Excellent, through the handshake. Okay, you see how they look like? What do you think they feel? Excellent, they're happy. They feel happy. Okay, so what's the if we want to talk about this young man, what kind of word or how are we going to describe him? He's what? He's friendly. He is friendly. Okay, so the same thing with helpful. Now, I want you to finish the sentence for me. A friendly person can be a person. Now, think of words to describe him. Okay, let's see it together. A friendly person can be a happy person. A friendly person can be a good person. A friendly person can be a kind and a nice person. Excellent. Great job. Okay, let's move on. And the third and the final picture. All right, what do you think is going on here? Probably she saw something on the phone That's not really good. So how do you think she's feeling? She's sad. Excellent. But she's not crying, no. Is her face smiling or is her face serious? Excellent. So she has a sad or a serious face. Now, here's a question for you. When do you feel like you should be or you have to be serious? Which situation in your day that require you to be a serious person or act seriously? When exactly? Okay, now let's move on. Okay, so now we have a few words that we need to know and talk about. So I suggest that you would have a copybook or a paper and pen and write the definition of each of each word or each adjective. And by the way, since we're describing personalities, these words, like the ones we took before, are considered adjectives. So let's read those and then I'll give you a chance to repeat after me, okay? I'm just going to read them at the beginning alone and then I'm going to ask you to repeat, okay? So listen to me first. Brave, brave, brave. Cheerful, cheerful, cheerful. Easygoing, easygoing, easygoing. Generous, generous, generous. Helpful, helpful, helpful. Honest, honest, honest. Intelligent, intelligent, intelligent. Nervous, nervous, nervous. Reliable, reliable, reliable. Selfish, selfish, selfish. Serious, serious, serious. Sociable, sociable, sociable. Okay, now it's your turn. I'm going to read it once and you repeat after me, okay? All right. Brave, cheerful, easygoing, generous, helpful, honest, intelligent, nervous, reliable, selfish, serious, sociable. Great job. Now, we're going to take the meaning of each word, okay? Now, get your pencil and paper ready. Okay, now let's move on. Now, you need to know something, that we're going to write the meaning of the words in English, not in Arabic or any other language, okay? I might say the word in Arabic, but the definition will be in English. Brave. Brave means شجاع, fears nothing. Fears nothing. Means he's not afraid of anything. Being brave means not afraid of anything. Okay? Now, if I'm too fast, you can pause the video. Cheerful. Cheerful means someone who smiles and happy all the time. Someone who smiles and happy all the time. Cheerful. مبهج. شخص مبهج. Easygoing. Someone who is flexible. Someone who is flexible. Easygoing. Okay. Generous. Someone who is happy to share and to give. Generous means someone who is happy to share with others and to give. Helpful. Someone who likes helping others. Someone who likes helping others. Honest. Someone who is true. True. Yeah, honest means صادق. Someone who is true or sincere, and this word is really important. Sincere. Someone who is sincere means honest. Okay. Intelligent. Someone who is smart. Intelligent, someone who is smart. Okay. Nervous. Now, nervous means someone who can get angry easily. Can get angry easily. Someone who can get angry easily. Reliable. Reliable means someone who you can depend on. Someone who can you depend on or rely on. Someone you can depend on or rely on. That's the meaning of reliable. Selfish. Of course, selfish means someone who doesn't like to share with anyone or give anyone anything. Someone who doesn't like to share or doesn't like to give anything to anyone. And as for serious, now that's the word that mostly the meaning is the opposite. The meaning of this word is its opposite. Serious means not funny. Not funny, maybe also sometimes stressed. That's the meaning of serious. Okay. Sociable. Sociable means likes being with people. Sociable means like being with people. Okay? Alright. Now, we have a little bit of exercise. We can do it together. Okay? Okay. So, I have here the antonyms. Now, the antonyms means the opposite. So, we have the adjective and the opposite, the other side, and we need to match them. Okay? So, we have brave, intelligent, cheerful, nervous, easygoing, reliable. We have sad, we have untrustworthy. Now, untrustworthy means the person cannot be trusted. You can't trust them. Stupid, tensed, coward, and calm. All right. So I'm just going to give you a minute to match, and then we're going to do it together. You can pause the video. Okay, let's do it together. So, brave is the opposite of coward. Excellent. Intelligent? Stupid. Very good. Cheerful? Sad. Nervous? Calm. Easygoing? Tensed. Excellent. Reliable? Untrustworthy. You can count on them, you can trust them. Okay, let's move on. We have 5 more. We have generous, we have helpful, we have serious, we have honest, sociable, and the opposite, useless, flexible, solitary. Solitary means alone. Okay? Insincere is the opposite of sincere, if you remember. And selfish. Okay? So, I'll give you a minute to do this on your own, then we'll do it together. You can pause the video. Okay? So, generous, excellent, selfish, helpful. Now, helpful means someone who does things and help people. So, he is useless. He doesn't do anything. He doesn't help people. You can also say selfish. Both of them can work. Okay. Serious. Okay, you're serious means you're not flexible. So serious is the opposite of flexible. Okay. Honest, insincere, excellent, and sociable, solitary. Very good. Okay. Well, that's the end of our session. Thank you so much.